In your email, you should have received several different workout plans. And if you're Elite Plus or Supreme, then you're going to get a new one every single month.
Absolutely, guys. So during your consult, you told us what your goals are, kind of what difficulty you'd like your workouts to be, and what equipment you have access to. So if you have a gym or have access to a gym, we probably sent you a gym and also some at-home workouts. If you're at home and you don't have any equipment, you're going to get some great circuit-based workouts. If you ever do want to add any equipment, feel free to message Courtney and I, and we will change your plan. You're also going to get an additional plan each and every month. Now, you do not have to change. Your favorite workout is always going to be the best workout. So if you don't want to change your workouts and you're getting great results, keep up with it. Courtney and I haven't changed our workouts in years. As long as we're getting results, we don't care. Just again, if you get bored or you want to change things up, feel free to change things up. Now, we do expect our clients to do at least 4 days of resistance training. So that can be body weight exercises, free weights, hand weights, gym, machines, or no gym at all, 4 days a week. That's going to help you with toning, increasing your metabolism, optimizing hormones, and helping you achieve your goals. If you have a weight loss goal, we also suggest 30 minutes of cardio each and every day. Walking, hiking, biking, jogging, sprinting, elliptical, treadmill, swimming, Zumba, Pilates, yoga. Any of it is considered cardio, so we do suggest 30 minutes a day. We do not do step goals because if you're someone who walks 10,000 steps anyway, it's already built into your metabolism. That's not going to help you any. However, like me or Courtney, we walk like 1,500 steps a day, so 10,000 steps would be a marathon. So just get us 30 minutes extra each day, and we'll be totally fine. If you do get stuck or you get bored or want something more difficult or you'd like to change your strength training program, you want to do powerlifting or want to start CrossFit or training for Ninja Warrior, whatever it is, let us know. We'll be glad to make changes for you. Let us help you get the results you deserve.